What would cause a laser printer to generate a totally blank sheet? Remember, laser printers are different from inkjet printers, so just know the difference between the two. We've gone over those a lot previously, but let's look over the following answers. And a few that I know are going to be totally out of the possible ones is low level in the toner cartridge. If there's low level in the toner cartridge, but there's still toner, this means that it won't be totally blank. The images might be faint, or like not all the way there in some places, but it won't be totally blank if there's just a low level. Now we have malfunctioning imaging laser. Well, a malfunctioning imaging laser may cause similar issues where the image printed out, it might be darker, it might be lighter, some parts might be distorted, but it wouldn't cause completely blank sheet to be printed. So those two are out. Now let's talk about the power to the transfer corona and the primary corona. So the transfer corona. The transfer corona, what it does is it's responsible for transferring the toner, right, from the drum to the paper itself. Now, if there's no power to it, the printed image or the paper, it would likely come out blank or with faint images, but not completely blank. It just wouldn't print out properly all the way. For a totally blank sheet, that's going to be no power to the primary corona. With no power to that primary corona, the toner will be transferred to the entire drum and the blank sheet would be there. Because remember, we have to apply power to this primary corona for it to work. The primary corona or roller is responsible for applying a negative charge, right, to the photoreceptor, which is the drum. And once it does that, it will write the image. If the primary corona is not receiving power, the drum itself is not going to be properly charged with the negative charge, and as a result, it's not going to be receiving the power, and the entire surface of the drum can attract that toner, and the entire sheet of paper will be covered in toner, basically coming out blank.